Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the black and white filter just to overlay in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm just going to add the main just one image to main track and select the overlay. So I'm going to select for the green screen overlay and I'm going to remove for the green screen. Just click cut out, select chroma key and select color picker and select the green color. Adjust for the strength and then shadow till you get the perfect. So I want to make this overlay black and white. So I'm going to select filters and select PW. So PW and split the clip and remove unused. So select the overlay and the filters. Right click and create compound clip. So you can see the filters only add to overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please do leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.